In this video, we'll be looking at expo questions. I'll be giving you questions that will come out from chapter 1 of the book, Lekki Headmaster, the JAMB novel, Lekki Headmaster. Of course, you already know that the book is not something that you will say whether you read or not. It's compulsory. It's a must for all JAMB candidates for this year. So let's look at 10 expected questions from chapter 1. We have been doing a series of expo questions on this book, but in this one, we'll be looking at it from chapter to chapter, from one chapter to the other, right? So we'll come to chapter 1, look at all the possible questions, about 10, that they could give you from that chapter. We'll go to chapter 2, look at all possible questions from that chapter. We'll go to chapter 3, look at all possible questions until chapter 12, right? This is one of our ways of ensuring that anywhere, any angle, JAMB brings the questions from. Any place, no matter how they twist it, I must have given it to you here. Remember, my goal is for you to score at least 300 and above in your JAMB. If you claim it, tell me I claim it in the comment section. My goal, our goal in this channel is for everybody following us on YouTube, Noble Tutorials. Your target, your goal must be to score at least 300. You will see it happen. You will be among those that will come back to me and give me your testimony. So if you claim it, let me know. If you watch this video from now till the end, I'm going to give you a gift. Free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus. I'm going to give you free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllabus. So just watch this video from beginning to the end so that you can qualify to receive those gifts from me. We are looking at chapter 1 in this particular video. There will still be other videos on the other chapters. So let's look at chapter 1. Questions and answer. What is the full name of the main character, Beppo? What is his full name? A. Adebepo Adewale. B. Beppo Adekunle. C. Beppo Adeyemi. D. Beppo Adedayo. His name is Adebepo Adewale, but he is now called short form Beppo. Okay? I hope you are following. What position does Beppo hold in Stardom Schools? What position does Beppo hold in Stardom Schools? A. Head teacher. B. Vice principal. C. Principal. D. Director. I won't answer it. Tell me the answer. The answer to question 2 in the comment section. Remember that I've done something for you. I've done a chapter by chapter reading and review of the book. Beyond this question and answer we are doing, I brought that time to read the book. I was reading it from word to word, chapter by chapter review of the book. If you want me to send you the link to all the videos we have done on Lekki Headmaster, both we read it, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and reviewed it for you. Then these questions we are doing and the other questions. If you want me to give you the link, also let me know. Okay, let's look at number 3. Why was Beppo not initially interested in relocating abroad? Why did he develop cold feet about relocating to the UK? Why wasn't he interested about moving abroad? A. He did not want to leave his job at Stardom. He has been a principal of the school for over 20 years, about 24 years. Right? Stardom School is a renowned secondary school in Lagos. B. He had no valid passport. C. He feared traveling by air. D. He was financially unstable. The answer is A. He did not want to leave his job at Stardom School. Remember that the man, his wife already was in the UK. His 2 children, his wife Siri was in the UK. His 2 children were also in the UK. What was the occupation of the wife? What was the wife doing in the UK? Tell me in the comment section. If you have followed the previous videos we have done on this book, our reading of the book and the other questions we have done, you will not be surprised. You should be able to answer some of these questions. Okay? Who was responsible for pressuring Beppo to relocate abroad? Who was responsible for pressuring Beppo to relocate abroad? A. His boss at Stardom Schools. B. His wife. His friends. C. His family. D. His student. The answer was what? His family. They were the ones, the wife and the 2 children, they wanted him to come over. to leave that principal work he's doing in Nigeria and japa to the UK. What was one of the challenges Beppo faced in his career? What was one of the challenges Beppo faced in his career? A. Lack of qualified teachers. B. Balancing school policies with parental expectations. C. Poor school infrastructure. D. Low student enrollment. Of course, you know the school had a lot of students. So it wasn't lack of quality. They had a lot of teachers. It wasn't poor infrastructure. It was a big man school. They had all the infrastructure. It wasn't low student turnout. There were many. So the answer was balancing school policies with parental expectations, because many parents will even call him in the middle of the night. Many parents will even bring their family problems and present to him. You know, many parents will bring their politics into the school. Okay, number 6. What is one of the major themes introduced in chapter 1? What is one of the major themes introduced in chapter 1? A. The struggle for power in the school. B. The importance of political connections. C. Education and leadership challenges. D. The dangers of school rivalry. The answer is actually C. Education and leadership challenges. Okay? Education and leadership challenges. Remember that at the end of this video, I'm going to give you free JAMB past questions on use of English and the other 4 subjects we'll be writing. Then I'm also going to give you free JAMB syllables. Then have you gotten this book, Lekki Headmaster? Have you gotten it? If you have not gotten it, let me know. Have you registered for your JAMB? If you have not registered, let me know. If you have registered, also let me know. Right? Okay. Number 7. What is the name of the school where Beppo works? A. Stardom Schools. B. N.H.S Academy. C. Heritage High School. D. Royal Scholars Institute. I've already told you the answer. Stardom Schools. Where is Stardom Schools? Stardom Schools is in Lekki, Lagos. Okay, are you still with me? How did Beppo feel about his job at Stardom Schools? A. He was tired and wanted to leave immediately. B. He was deeply committed and passionate about it. C. He disliked the school's management. D. He was planning to quit for a better opportunity. The answer, of course, is B. He was deeply... See, if you follow me, if you follow the videos we keep churning out daily for you in this channel, nothing will make you not to score at least 300. Nothing. So just keep watching the videos. Keep every day I post new videos. Ensure you come back every day to look at the videos we are making. It's so critical. And if you have not subscribed, if you want me to send you those materials, let me know and I will send them to you. We have done videos on several other things, aspects beyond Lekki Headmaster. We've done a lot of videos on use of English, economics, mathematics, and all the rest. So keep watching and keep preparing. What personal decision was Beppo struggling with in chapter 1? Why was he crying in the assembly? Why was Mr. Beppo shedding tears in the assembly? A. Whether to resign from his job. B. Whether to apply for another teaching position. C. Whether to relocate abroad. D. Whether to start his own school. The answer is C. Whether to relocate abroad. His children and wife has been pushing him to come over. How did Beppo's experience shape his leadership style at Stardom Schools? How did Beppo's experience shape his leadership style at Stardom School? A. He ruled with fear and intimidation. B. He was strict but fair, balancing discipline with compassion. C. He focused only on academic results. D. He allowed parents to control school politics. The answer is B. He was strict but fair, balancing discipline with compassion. In the next video, we will start from questions in chapter 2. That is from the next video. So we have done this chapter 1. I will attach the video we have done on chapter 1, the reading and review of chapter 1. Is always good. You watch that reading and review, then you come back and watch the question. Watch the reading and review, come back and watch the question. If you want me to send you those materials, JAMB past question, JAMB syllables, what you need to do is 3 things. Like this video. Go ahead, like this video. Then share this video. Like this video. Just click on like. Share this video, copy the link, click on share, copy the link and paste on all the JAMB groups you belong to, both on YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, and other platforms. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very importantly, subscribe. Click on subscribe and turn on the notification button. When you subscribe, then come under this video, the comment, and type "I have subscribed." I have subscribed. Once I see you type "I have subscribed," I will send those materials to you. Once I see you type "I have subscribed," I will send you those materials, past question, and the syllables you need, because they are very, very, very important. Watch, there's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.